In today's video, guys, I am going to speak about there are three habits actually that help me a lot to improve my English skills. So, by the way, my name is Jamal. For those no subscribers, my name is Jamal. I am an English learner and I am here to share my English journey with you guys. Because I know there's a lot of people like me who are uh, trying to learn the language, English language, of course. And yeah, we share or we have the same goal. So yeah, it's obvious from the title of my channel, Practicing English Out Loud. This is uh, the first reason why I made this channel is to practice my English language and share my English journey with you guys. So, like I have said at the beginning of the video, the topic of today's video will be about some three habits that help me to improve my English skills. So let's dive in. The first one is considering English as a habit, as a habit. Yeah, exactly. Something that I do daily, consistently. This habit honestly helped me a lot to improve my English skills uh, through considering English as a part of my life. Uh, and the thing that I did is the things that I was doing, or the hobbies, the habits in general that I was doing, that I used to do in my native language, which is Arabic. By the way, I'm from Morocco, so our native language is Arabic. The things that I used to do in Arabic, I turned them or I shifted them into my target language, which is English. Uh, this helps me a lot, honestly, because it's a kind of immersion. It's a kind of surrounding yourself with English. So give it a try. Give it a try. Give it a go. It's gonna help you a lot. I am sure about that. If uh, the viewer who are watching me, who is watching me now, and you still not doing this strategy or this method, uh, I advise you to start doing it to, shift the things that you were doing in your native language into your target language. So this is the first one. It helped me a lot. Okay, and I think there's a lot of people that apply this that have applied this method in their English practicing journey, and it helps them a lot. So give it a try, and you're going to see the difference for sure. So let us move on to the second one. The second one is speaking with myself. Okay, speaking with myself is one of the things that uh, helped me a lot again, and to enhance my English skills, to especially speaking with myself, throughout the day, while cooking, while running, while uh, doing my routine, uh, speaking about speak about anything. Okay, for me, sometimes I describe my day when I wake up, what I am doing, what I'm going to do, the things that I did yesterday, or sometimes you know, I speak about a story that happened for me. Uh, I don't know, in the past, or sometimes I speak about my hobbies too. and you can speak about a lot of things. The main idea here is to speak the language. This is the point. And speaking with yourself, there's a lot of YouTubers out there who are advising us as language learners to start doing it. I have been following this method of speaking with yourself. Though I think it has been uh, 8 months, I think 8 months so far, and it helps me a lot. Again, okay, so apply it on your English journey, and I am sure that you are going to see the difference. So this is it for the second habit. Briefly, let's move on to the last one. Okay, so the last one is, don't be afraid of making mistakes. Okay, I was not being afraid of making mistakes. Okay, even right now I still do a lot of pronunciation mistakes. I still have a lack of vocabulary. I still do a lot of grammar mistakes, but I don't care, because for me, I have an idea inside my mind, which is without mistakes you cannot improve. If you are not doing mistakes, that means you are not trying. If you are not doing mistakes, that means you're not going to see the results to enhance your English skills. And yeah, so this is one of the habits that I have. I think it's a part of my personality, I think. But it's a habit and you can build it. So don't be afraid of making mistakes. And I think a lot of people struggle with this. They have a good vocabulary. They understand English. They know a lot of things about English language, but when it comes to speaking, they struggle. They are afraid of making mistakes. They are afraid of speaking in front of people, an audience, in front of a camera. And this is something that is gonna make uh, an obstacle in front of you. It's like a big wall in front of you, and you should outgrow that. You should ditch that, because if you don't do that, you're not going to master English language. You're not going to learn English language or any language that you are learning. So don't be afraid of making mistakes. Instead, be glad when you made a mistake, or when you are making a mistake. Me right now, I'm sure that I have made a lot of mistakes in this video, and this is one of the reasons too why I made this channel, is to improve that, to outgrow that, to build confidence, to build this skill of speaking in front of a camera and overcoming my fears, because this is the only way to improve. Okay, to improve your English language or anything in this life. So this is it for today's video, guys. Without making this video long, I don't want that. Okay, so if you like it, give it a like, a subscribe, and if you have any question, drop it in the comment below, and see you in the next one. This is a nice place if you're still here.